Hi, it's Angela with KidCheck, and we are all about helping organizations dedicated to kids and youth leverage the benefits of secure children's check-in and improve safety while not taking up a lot of time. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the first essential element of comprehensive screening, the application. Now, we understand thorough screening takes time, but it also acts as a deterrent for would-be offenders. It eliminates easy access to kids and youth, and it bubbles up need-to-know information about an applicant's character, commitment, and history. Plus, it helps to save you time in removing applicants that just aren't a good fit for your organization. The application is the foundational piece that will help you gather all of the core information you need in order to make an informed decision about granting an individual access to kids and youth. And today I want to talk about 3 important points regarding the application. The first is that all applications need to be 100% completed. Oftentimes we see missing information throughout the application. This is unacceptable. And if an applicant is unwilling to complete the application to 100%, it's a red flag. 2, the application needs to contain all of the most current and accurate contact information for your applicant. This includes a verifiable address and social security number. And 3, all applications, whether written or digital, need to be kept in a secure and locked location. And individuals who have access to this information need to understand the importance of keeping it private and secure. Well, that's all I have for the written application. If you'd like more detail or more information on comprehensive screening, I encourage you to visit kidcheck.com/blog and search under screening. I'll see you next time when we talk about the second essential element, which is the background check.